Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cook with Shree. Today I am going to show you how to make sweet corn fritters. To make the recipe, we need onions 1 cup, ginger 2 teaspoon, green chillies 2, garlic 2 teaspoon, coriander leaves half cup, salt as per taste. Boiled sweet corn 1/4 cup, rice flour half cup and all-purpose flour half cup. Let's begin the recipe. Take a mixie jar, add onions, ginger, green chillies, garlic, coriander leaves and add little water and grind to a fine paste. Take out the paste in a bowl, add the rice flour, all-purpose flour and salt. Give a good mix. Now add boiled sweet corns and mix again. Now the dough is ready. Let's make the fritters. You can make fritters in any shape. Start heating the oil in the frying pan and let it come to a boiling temperature before tossing in the fritters. Now add in the fritters and fry till it turns golden in color. Now take out the fried fritters in a plate and serve with tomato ketchup or favorite dip of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.